Aning Buju. Today is Wednesday, July 22nd, and we'll start off with the statistics, and they have increased since yesterday. Aiken County 22, Crow Wing 137, Mille Lacs 48, and Pine County has 119 positive cases. The governor today announced that it will be mandatory to wear masks in all public places, and that starts on Saturday. So anytime we go out in any public gathering in places, buildings, we as the state of Minnesota will be required to wear masks. As you well know, that we had a commissioner's order from Commissioner Anderson on May 28th that required masks for all governmental buildings. And so we're happy to see that the governor has did this. I've heard on public radio, I listen to that on a regular basis, and it was stated if we would all wear our masks, everybody would wear a mask for 20 days, we could get a handle on this COVID. So I support the governor and the lieutenant governor's decision for all of us to wear masks in the state of Minnesota. And today was the band assembly. I signed into law our stimulus for August, and we included some opportunity for purchasing school supplies and school clothes, whatever that is needed for your family for when the kids go back to school, when our students are able to go back. We don't know exactly what that means yet, but we'll know soon if it's going to be virtual education again, or is it going to be in school, or is it going to be a hybrid of all. Soon as that plan is confirmed, we will report that to you. Also on the band assembly, there was discussion regarding band members that are experiencing extremely hardship, especially through this pandemic of COVID-19. And what I asked the band assembly members to do is, please, if you know of any band member that needs assistance, to please give us their name so we can contact them and start providing services that they need. With that, I ask Baabiitaw to be here today to talk a little bit about how we're going to implement those services for band members that are experiencing extremely hardships during this pandemic.
Buju and Denoi Maganedug, mi Baabiitaw nin in Dishigi Kenemigu. I just wanted to give you all a few updates about Ojibwe Madazing. So, Ojibwe Madazing is operated under Public Law 102477, and it's a conglomerate of different grant agencies, federal agencies, and some other state grants that we receive. And what we do is we work together in a team effort to offer support services to our band members and our clients. And so one of the programs that we offer is TANF, so that's Temporary Assistance for Needy Families, and then also we process SNAP food benefits. And so for those of you who are experiencing a hardship during COVID-19, we encourage you to contact the case managers. The phone numbers for those individuals will be provided at the end of this video. I also wanted to mention that Ojibwe Madazing in our language means changing lives, and that through services, through TANF services, SNAP food benefit processing, and through trainings, we are trying to support all of our band members who are experiencing difficulties in self-sufficiency to move to a place of employability so that they can take care of themselves and their families. One other item that I'd like to talk about is wraparound. So wraparound was formerly under Health and Human Services. We're in the middle of the approval process of moving wraparound to under the umbrella of Ojibwe Madazing, and we feel like wraparound meets the spirit of the grant in that we are taking a team-based approach in supporting people in overcoming their barriers. And so with wraparound support moving under Ojibwe Madazing, that also will follow is the transitional housing so that we can support our relatives that are coming back from incarceration or that are moving through their recovery journey. So the trainings that we are currently offering under Ojibwe Madazing are the Certified Nursing Assistant Training, Commercial Driver's License Certification, auto technician certification, and small business development. We encourage you to contact our case managers so that you can have any of the questions that you might have answered. Miigwech.